This one from ronaldtj.com. So, here for another video and finally napahiram tayo ng Vivo Philippines. At least, bago sila mag-launch. Ito yung bago nilang lalabas na phone na magkakaroon ng launch within next week. Ito yung Vivo v29, which obviously ito yung follow-up nila sa Vivo v27. From the packaging itself, at nakita yun yung article natin sa ronaldtj.com is ang pinagmamalaki ngayon ng vivo v29 for this their upcoming V phone is their Aura Light na sumikat ng v27. Actually, gustong-gusto ko yung Aura Light doon sa kanilang array, doon sa kanilang back camera, which it gives us better lighting in terms of taking photos. Lalo pag subject mo tao. So this one, ito yung official packaging ng Vivo v29. Ito yung packaging, version 12 gigs, 256 storage, then this one, and that's it. Papakita natin yung rest of the package. Syempre, hindi mo wala yung user manual and quick start guide for Vivo v29. Ito yung kanyang TPU case. At least may hit na kayo kung ano yung itsura ng back camera panel. And yung kanyang 80 watt na vivo flash charge travel adapter. This one, syempre USB Type-C. And you have to verify kung how many minutes ang full charge ng Vivo v29 from 0 to 100% with this 80 watt charger. Di na bago sa akin yung 80 watts kasi yung main driver is 80 watts na charger. So kakatawa lang kung kano siya kabilis, pero for sure it will be very fast. Napakalaking bagay ng 80 watts. Lala ko yung tipong maliliit ka sa appointment mo tapos lobat ka na, tapos paalis ka na. Yun, napakalaking bagay nitong mga ganitong klaseng ganito kabilis na 80 watts na charger like for Vivo flash charge. At ito na nga yung itsura ng Vivo v29. At makikita naman na curve yung kanyang display. Kahit na na vanilla version itong phone na to. So nakalagay na sa ating article yung description, yung lalo sa specs, yung type siya magpapagay po siya sa specs. This is a short video for our first look on this one. Napatangkad ng kanyang display kumpara sa current main driver ko. Lalo pag mas naalata ako siya lalo pag tumitin ako ng pictures. So ito yung kanyang full HD display, nasa gitna yung kanyang front camera. Tapos sa back, ko natin nga pala is yung purple color, pero makikita nyo naman na maklase, oh. Parang may pagka-wavy ang dating. Ito yung kanyang rear camera offering. Ito yung Aura Light na we have to double check lalo sa gabi. Kukuha tayo ng mga low shots. Sana may makuha din tayo in person to check it out. Sabihin to how good is the Aura Light it is. Yung V27 actually, masaya na ako sa V27. And kahit na third display siya is na-manage pa rin niya na maglagay nito volume rocker and power unlock button sa kanan. Wala sa kaliwa. Then sa bottom naman is yung USB-C, dual SIM and yung single speaker in this one. We have to double check yung speaker kung okay siya later on, pero lalagay natin sa written review later on sa website. Then na-check natin is FunTouch OS 13 or 14 based on Android 13. Lalagyan natin ng edit kung mali man ako on this one. This a sort of bigla na first look on this one kasi gusto natin mabigla tayo ng konti sa itsura nitong phone. And so far napaka-responsive nung low Vivo 29 for its given processor. And so far it really looks like a premium device just like nung V27. Napakalayo na kumpara nung panahon pa na ng B17, B21. Yung V17 yung last ko na talagang matinding hands-on. But although I had a chance to review the V27, you can also check out at the website. Excited for this kasi ilo-launch itong Vivo V29 this September 22 sa Pilipinas. So nandun tayo sa launch and tingnan natin kung magkano yung price itong Vivo V29 5G. And it comes in two colors nga pala. Ano ko natin yung purple color and kapag hinahilagyan ng case no? Sa ganda nung design niya. Yung display okay din. And appreciate ko na ang nakalagay dito sa V20 sa curved display already. Iba sa Pro ilalagay yung curved display pero not on this one. And since syempre it's kagaya sa V27, it can already shoot up to 4K videos. Ito pa natin yung camera on this one is what's good. Yeah, so that's it. This one from TJ.com. Thank you very much for watching and follow our social media description below and please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.